to turn on or turn off Spotify offers and bundles if push notifications. In iPhone 14 Pro, open Spotify settings, find Spotify in home screen, and then tap Spotify. Next, tap settings icon, and then scroll down settings screen, find notifications, tap notifications, and then tap Spotify offers and bundles, and then on where you will receive notifications, tap push switch until green to turn on or touch switch until green to turn off. Special offers for Spotify Premium and our partners. Okay, tap switch until green to turn on or touch switch until green to turn off. Special offers for Spotify Premium and our partners. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.